Top 10 Rubik's Cube facts that will blow your mind. 10. Most of the experienced speed cubers can solve this puzzle under 6 seconds. 9. Puzzle was invented by Hungarian sculptor and professor Erno Rubik in 1974. 8. Lucas Eder is currently fastest speedcuber with a record of 4.9 seconds. 7. Popular speed-solving methods are Friedrich, Petrus, ZZ, Ru. 6. It would take 1,400 trillion years to go through all possible configurations. 5. The puzzle is made up of 26 miniature pieces known as cubelets or cubies. 4. Rubik's Cube is 42 years old. 3. Best-selling puzzle worldwide, over 350 million, making it number 1. 2. Every legal permutation can be solved in 20 moves or less. 1. A 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube has 43 quintillion possible configurations.